African braid hairstyle for all occasion. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I have compiled gorgeous hairstyle for you. So in this video I have these styles can be made on natural hair, relaxed hair, whatever hair texture you have, but there is a clause if your hair is type 1, type 2. Not like if you have type 1 or type 2 hair, you cannot braid your hair. You can, but you have to be professional for you to braid the type 1 hair. It's so silky, so gripping the root can be very, very difficult. Yes guys, can be very difficult, so you need a professional to do that for you. Video credit to all the stylists featured in this video. You're doing a great job. Yes guys, like I said previously in my previous video, every hair health is very important, because our beautiful faces is not just the reflection of the makeup you wear, but wearing a very beautiful gorgeous braid that stand out is very important. You can see some ladies wearing a very beautiful braid, they may not wear makeup and they still look beautiful. So what your hair do matters a lot. Although braids last longer, but it's advisable to give your hair some rest. Yes, you have to give your hair some rest. Yeah, we always preach you need to wear protective hairstyle. Yeah, protective hairstyle comes in different styles. I have a whole lot of protective hairstyles here. Braiding is not just only the protective hairstyle, or conrolling your hair is not just only the protective hairstyle you can do on your hair to protect it from harsh weather or from the environment, dust, whatever, depending on your region. You need to give your hair a break. You need to give your hair a break. Yeah, so guys, this brings me to the point where I urge you to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. I will see you right after this video. Welcome back, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video down to this stage. If you know you love this video and you found a very beautiful hairstyle that inspire you, how about you give this video a thumbs up? Yes, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, because sharing shows you care about my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.